Hello, myself Dr.D.K.Shedge, Professor Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss here the certain operations on the signals, time scaling and time shifting operation. A time scaling operation can be very easily seen here. The x of t is any signal given, then x of kt, if k is greater than 1, then it becomes a compression. And if k is less than 1, then it becomes expansion of the signal, expansion or stretching of the signal. Say x of t here given is a very simple triangular pulse. Then x of 2t, if you try to find out x of 2t by substituting different values of t, you will get that x of 2t is nothing but the compressed version of x of t. For example, it will become x of 1 at t equal to 0.5, whatever is value of x of t at t equal to 1. Whereas it will become also x of minus 1 at t equal to minus of 0.5. That's why this will be a compressed version. If we take x of t by 2, then it will become expanded or stretched version of the x of t. Here you can verify very easily. At t equal to 2 only, it will be the extreme right value of x of t, that is at x of 1. So at t equal to 2, it will have that x of 1. At t equal to minus 2, it will have x of minus 1. And at t equal to 0, same peak will be there. So it will become a expanded or the stretch version of the x of t if that scaling factor is less than 1. Time shifting operation on x of t. Let us take now different rectangular pulse which is occurring from minus half to plus half and having a height of 1. Then x of t minus 2, it will be x of t shifted by 2 towards right hand side. If it is x of t plus 2, then it would have been x of t shifted by 2 towards left hand side. So x of t minus 2, it will be x of t shifted by 2 towards right hand side. This also can be very easily verified. At t equal to 2, it will be x of 0. At t equal to 1.5, it will be x of minus half. At t equal to 2.5, it will be x of plus half. So it will be a right hand shifting operation x of t minus 2. These shifting and scaling operations are very easy, but it becomes a problem whenever together the number of operations are carried out on a single signal x of t. For example, here the 3 operations are carried out on x of t. Namely, first of all, it is amplitude scaling by a, then it is a time scaling by small a, and then it is a time shifting by t0. If we look mathematically, actually amplitude scaling operation can be carried out at any time or any sequence, but we have to be very careful whenever we carry out the operations of time scaling and time shifting. If we look mathematically, then you will feel that first of all time scaling should be done and then time shifting should be done. But actual operation to be carried out on signal, first of all we must do a time shifting and then we must do a time scaling. This will be the correct sequence of the operation. That's why here y of t given by a into x of at minus t of 0. So it will be first of all amplitude scaling by a, the operation to be carried out. Then it will be time shifting by t0, the second operation to be carried out. And then next operation should be a time scaling operation, scaling by small a time domain. That operation should be carried out. It can be best understood with the help of some example. Let us take x of t, a rectangular pulse having height of 1, and it is existing from minus 1 to plus 1. And I have tried here the 2 ways to carry out this operation. X of 2t plus 3, no amplitude scaling, only time scaling and time shifting is there. I have tried 2 ways. First of all, I have tried with the correct sequence, that first of all time shifting is there and then time scaling is there. And secondly, I tried same example with time scaling first and then time shifting. See, x of t, a rectangular pulse shifted by plus 3 means it will be shifted by 3 towards left hand side. So x of t plus 3, it will become x of t shifted by 3 towards left hand side. Then it is to be scaled by 2. So scaling by 2 after shifting will become compression of that rectangular pulse. So rectangular pulse which was existing from -2 to -4 and centered at -3, now it will become centered at -1.5 and existing from -1 to -2. It is the compression of the x of t plus 3. And then same problem I have tried. First of all, scaling operation, time scaling operation. So time scaling by 2 means it will be compression by 2. So it will become a rectangular pulse which is existing from -half to +half and height of 1. And then applying a time shifting, it will be same rectangular pulse shifted by 3 towards left hand side. Now you will be able to see that two answers are different, but whenever we try to find out the answer, correct answer of x of 2t plus 3 by substituting different values of t, we'll get that first answer is the correct answer. See, at t equal to minus 1.5 only, it will give you 0th value of x of t, isn't it? So it will be centered along minus of 1.5. So first answer is correct, which carries out the correct sequence of operations, that is first of all shifting and then scaling. The second answer we tried to find out by first of all taking scaling and then shifting, it gives you the wrong answer. Thank you.